Hello everyone, this is a PS Slim and it has the display problem. It turns on, there is the blue light. Like there is a disk inside, but the disk is not ejecting. Maybe that's a problem too. Yeah, the disk is not ejecting. Let's check what's the problem in the disk drive. Yeah, I see a big bench. Maybe that's why the disk drive is not working.
I did a quick test in this PS4. Plug it to the HDMI and I wiggle the HDMI cable and we got the display. But it gives me an error for PS4 cannot boot to the home screen, and it's giving me the error for the hard drive. Could be the hard drive is crashed from that big damage from what happened to this console, like it's being dropped or something fall on it.
Yeah, there is no disk inside, you can see it, but this one here is bent. Yeah, this one looks bent too. Yeah, must be something happened to this PS4, like being dropped hard. And that's why the hard drive crashed. Hopefully the processor's still good. Here you see here, it's like the board bench. So going to check the hard drive connector. Because that bench, it was right here. Hopefully it's not the processor issue. I'm gonna check the hard drive connector. So there is a connection. So there is the connection between this side of the connector all the way to the board.
All right, let's go on the microscope, and you can see how is the picture quality of this new microscope. Looks good. Um, By using the leaded solder and the hot air with the solder iron, it's make the work more easy and quick, and saving the pads. You did see that the port fall by itself from the board, and we have no damage traces or missing pads. We add some leaded solder to here to make the like soldering the new port more easy. This area it has a big round, and solder iron it doesn't have enough power to get the solder melted all the way across the board. And you can see now is the job is more easy putting just warming up the board till is melted reach melting point and put the new charger port. But we always need to use the solder iron to be sure that the pads is solder good. Plus, they may need some extra solder. We want to be sure all the pens they have enough solder. Looks all the pens soldered good. There is no solder bridge, even under the ports. Sometimes the solder bridge is deep and it's hard to see it. We have to solder other side of the board, and we be sure that the solder is went all the way to the top of the board. Yeah, you can see the solder and this is not going all the way through. Yep, because we have a bit that's big ground. We are going to need to put more solder and use the hot air to help. Will be some cleaning and this should be good to go. We check the pins to see if any of them like moving. Be sure that everything is soldered good and is strong. The HDMI port replacement works fine. We got the display on the screen. After I put the PS4 together, I installed my hard drive in it, load the new system, test the disk drive. It's play fine. I contacted the customer and they don't want to replace the hard drive. So I just say had to put it together with the non-working hard drive and give it back to them. And this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you again.